Timing belt versus timing chain. What are their differences and pros and cons? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Auto V Fix, where we share helpful car maintenance and repair tips. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We upload tons of useful car maintenance and repair tutorials, so stay tuned. And for our loyal subscribers, don't forget to like and share our videos. Now let's jump into today's topic. Timing belt versus timing chain pros, cons, and differences. We all love our cars, but there's a lot going on under the hood that we don't see. One of those behind-the-scenes components that are critical to your engine's health and performance is the timing belt or timing chain. These components ensure everything in your engine is in sync and running smoothly. What is a timing belt? So, let's first understand what a timing belt is. This vital part is often made of durable, high-quality rubber reinforced with materials like Kevlar or fiberglass. It's responsible for synchronizing the crankshaft and camshaft, making sure your pistons and valves are always perfectly timed. Without it, you might end up with some pretty serious engine damage. What is a timing chain? On the other hand, a timing chain, as its name suggests, is made up of metal links, much like a bicycle chain. It serves the same purpose as the timing belt, ensuring the synchronous operation of your crankshaft and camshaft. It's crucial to note that your vehicle will have either a timing chain or timing belt, but not both, and they're not interchangeable. Before we go into more depth, let's take a quick break to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's the best way to stay up to date with all of our car tips and tutorials.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the cookies.
All right, let's get back to it. Pros and cons of timing belt and timing chain. So, which is better? A timing belt or a timing chain? Well, each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Timing belts are typically cheaper, easier to replace, and they run dry, meaning they don't need any lubrication. On the flip side, they have a shorter lifespan, requiring replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Timing chains, conversely, can last longer and are located inside the engine, but they need oil to operate efficiently and can be more costly and complex to replace. Lifespan and replacement costs. When it comes to lifespan and replacement costs, you're looking at around $500 to $1,000 for a timing belt replacement. A timing chain, on the other hand, can run you anywhere between $600 and $4,000. But remember, regular maintenance can significantly prolong the life of these components. Remember, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. It really helps us out and allows us to keep creating content for you. Timing belt or chain list. Now, whether your car comes with a timing belt or a timing chain depends on its make and model. For instance, a 1990 to 2000 Toyota 4Runner uses a timing chain, while a 2003 to 2009 model uses a timing belt. As for Honda Accord, models from 2003 to 2016 use a timing chain, while others use a timing belt. To wrap things up, the choice between a timing belt or a timing chain can often come down to your vehicle's specific model and your personal preference. Both have their own pros and cons, and understanding these can help you make the best decision when it comes time for a replacement. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. It supports our channel and ensures you don't miss out on future car repair tips and tutorial videos. Until next time, stay tuned and safe driving. I will see you in my next video. Bye!